Hello YouTube, so we are doing Pico CTF practice challenges. Today we are here with cryptography mod 26. So mod 26 modulus is always used in cryptography. It's a very useful function in cryptography. And cryptography, it's basically converting a text to something, a different set of text. Like suppose you started calling a cat a dog. So if you say like my cat ate the food, you simply mean that your cat ate the food. But if you start saying cat as a dog, let's say you call your cat a dog and you say that your dog ate the food, so other people will understand that you have a dog who ate the food, but you know that your cat whom you call dog ate the food. So that is a sort of cryptography. So let's see what problem we are having here. The challenge description says cryptography can be easy. Do you know what is ROT13? ROT13 is basically a way of converting the text to something else. So it's also an encryption cryptographic method, and where we convert A to N. There are 26 characters in English dictionary. So A to Z, there are 26 characters. If you half that, that is 13. A is 1 and 14 is N. So in that way, when you take A and replace it with N, so that is called cryptography by ROT13. Let's say you are typing A B C N O P. So similarly, if you type here Z, it becomes M, but when you type here N, it becomes A. So this is just replacing the words from their relevant letter after 13 places serially from the dictionary, from the English alphabets. So when we convert it, this kind of encryption is very easy. Not encryption, this kind of cryptographical functions are very easy, and that's why they can be easily decrypted. So since we have this ROT13 as a hint, it's kind of a hint to us. So let's go to CyberSafe, and it's a very great site. You will use it very often. And let's copy this text and paste it here in the input section, and we search here for ROT13. We paste it here, and instantly you can see here Pico CTF. Next time I will try 2 rounds of ROT13. If we copy this, so we have already got the result of the encrypted text. If we put it here and submit the flag, so we have earned 10 points. So this is the way it works. Let's see, we copy this and we paste it here. You see the same output what we have as a problem here. If you can see here, if I can manage to show you, there you go. So if you can see this ARKJ, then GYPX, so it's the same. So this is how it works, and this can be easily cracked, and you can see the actual text, what is it. So that's it for today. Thank you.